We've just made a decision that changes everything. We have new plans for 2026. They say the most dangerous thing on a boat is to schedule. Well, we've just set ourselves a hard deadline in April to be out of here. That gives us 11 weeks to finish the biggest jobs of the refit. Because of this, the jungle hike we were going to share with you will have to wait until the next episode because we want to share with you why and how we've come to this decision. We are Steve, Annette and Gus. We're currently in Guatemala doing a refit on our beautiful Venus Ketch. We have lived on her for 18 years and travelled over 15,000 miles, so she's well overdue a makeover. We've just been to Mexico, and the reason why is we had to renew our visas. That gave us the 90 days that we've now going to play with to get all the work done. I know. Whilst all this work is going on, we had to also do a dash to Mexico because just like most other countries, you can only stay for a 90-day period. We've decided to break up the refit because we want to go sailing. And apart from the refit work, there is also something else we have to consider later this year. We'll talk about that later. We know that we're in a mess, but this
is the countdown.
Yes, 90 days. We've got 90 days left. And 90 days to do 1 million jobs.
So we got 90 days to get this boat ready to go. Lots to do, lots to do. Big jobs to do.
I'm going to make up a new to-do list and put that up on the wall a bit more detailed because there are so many jobs that have got to be done between now and...
The deadline is the 8th of April. That's slightly under the 90 days, but we can't check out on a weekend. So we need to leave Monkey Bay on the 8th, check out the country on Friday. We need to get the lithium installed, get it out of the boxes, get it in the cupboard, get it installed. We need that extra power, not sat there as a workbench.
And then the second biggest job will be the headlining. We haven't got any headlining from our bedroom all the way through to the forward cabin. We have got the material for that. So that's a job that we want finished before we sail in 90 days.
And the sanding is a massive job. That's why we've got Oscar helping us. We need to get that done. There's loads of it. We've made a big start on it. It's well on the way. But it needs to be got to a stage where we can actually start putting varnish on. We're not there yet, but we're getting there. So we're looking at least a month on the varnishing. At least a month on the varnishing.
We've got to finish the galley. All of this, we can't sail with this. And we did a poll. We already had an idea of what we wanted the finish to look like in the galley, and we did a YouTube poll and they agreed with us. We are actually going to paint this bottom bit, not the drawer fronts, not the door fronts. We're going to leave those so as we've got this finish, but we are going to paint the bottom. So all of that's got to be done before we go.
Go. Very much go.
Steve, I've just redone the list and there's a lot of stuff on it. Are we going to get it done?
Yeah, we've got to get it done, and we've got to get it done by April the 8th.
Okay.
So, we've got to be out by the 8th of April, before the 8th of April. We're leaving Rio. This is the plan. We're currently here in Rio, and we're going to work our way out. Ooh. To Livingston. That's where we check out. That's where we check out of Guatemala. And then we head for Punta Gorda, Belize. That's where we check into Belize. And then we'll spend time, probably months, 2 months, depending how we like it, in Belize before we head to the Bay Island. We'll then come south and we'll spend time in Utila, Roatan and Guanaja. Guanaja, I think that's how you pronounce it. Then we need to be back in Rio or back in Guatemala by July, mid-July latest, because that's when hurricane season starts again.
Because we want more of this and this and this. And then when we return, we've got 2 massive jobs. Our cabin and the coach roof.
So the clock started last week, and we'd really appreciate your help helping us keep to this plan.
A massive thank you to all of our viewers, especially our Patreon and Coffee friends. We really appreciate your support. If you've ever thought of joining us on Patreon or Coffee, the links to both are below in our YouTube narrative. Until next time, ciao for now.